Hi there, welcome to my studio. My name is Monique Carr, and today I will demonstrate how I paint an abstract painting on paper. It's going to be a quick demo, basically an exercise, and I will be painting on watercolor paper that I just sewed on both sides, so the paper is very sturdy. All right, let's go do it. Woo! For this demo, I will be painting with two colors plus black and white and a pre-mixed gray. My colors are blue teal and transparent yellow oxide. The purpose of this exercise is to be very energetic, to be spontaneous, and most of all, have fun. So we have to do it really quickly and be fearless. All right, let's do it. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration, and I hope that you will try it at home. If you do a lot of these fast paintings, you will develop good skills, you will get looser, and you will have fun doing it, I promise. So I hope to see you again next time in my next demonstration.